You want me to tell you a cold, hard truth about this whole sneaker game? And I gotta give a real big shout out to Search 100%. Because I had a little conversation with him in the comments section. And I said, I don't like taking credit all for myself. But the reality of all of this, guys, when it comes to the sneaker game, you see the people that they make fun of and saying that they're wearing the Mexican Jordans and all the Dub Zeros and the Six Rings and all those the Pro Quakes, whatever, the Jumpman things. Do you know that those individuals enjoy their shoes a lot more than you do? Do you know that? Because while you're there stressing out in life of never to wear anything like that, those people don't give a flying rat's ass what anybody else is wearing. They just buy what they like, they love it, they enjoy it, they're happy with it. And then here comes these pathetic people to tell them, dawg, those ain't real Jordans. Then what are they, bro? What are they? Floridans? Is that what they are? Because last time I checked, they're made by Nike and they have a Jumpman logo on it. But no, that's just a way for these miserable people to make themselves feel better about themselves. When in reality, they don't enjoy this whatsoever. And they gotta be making fun of other people when the truth is that nobody even cares about what they're wearing. Dude, the 100% fact about this is that you could go and you could wear the most expensive sneakers that you could imagine, bro. And if there's one person that realizes what you're wearing, do you know what they're gonna do? They're just gonna hate on you, or they're gonna tell you that they're fake. That is the biggest reality of it all. Unless you're coming out of a Lamborghini, homie, with iced out chains and literally you take out a wad of 50 G's, there you could be rocking the fake ones and they'll say it's real. Do you know why? Because all this whole sneaker game is nothing but an illusion. It is what it is, guys. It's an illusion that people have created in their minds. They don't do it because they just want a piece of history. They do it so they can rub it in other people's faces because they're miserable like that. And then to top it off, to make up names like that, calling it Mexican Jordans or the budget piece of crap Jordans, the way they call it. Oh, what are those, bro? What are those? How pathetic could you possibly be as a human being to make fun of what anybody else is wearing in this world? Please explain that to me. How pathetic could you be? You looking at the cameras, the ones that don't dare comment, and the ones that don't care about hearing the truth. How does it feel? Even those that go and they're pretending to be on real accounts, and the reality is all these people that I'm hitting them, you know where? You know what I'm saying? All the rest of the YouTubers with their little accounts. Yeah. How does it feel, bro? How does it feel to be that miserable that you think you're something superior because you got some sneaker that nobody gives a rat's ass or gives a shit about? That is the biggest reality. Every time I wear my shoes, I know 100%, let's put it 99%, that 99% of everybody that I encounter has no idea what the hell I'm even wearing. They could be the cheapest or they could be the most expensive. They could care less. Do you know why? Because the main thing that happens in this world is that I treat people with respect. That's what I do. I mess around a lot. I do it. Why? Because I like to mess with those people. I like to get into their minds. That's what I like to do. So I could get into their little feelings. Because deep down inside, they have no character. They're nothing. That's how they really deep down inside feel. So I'll be your huckleberry. I enjoy it. I love it. And I'm always going to keep on hitting you right in the head. Do you know why? Because you think you're something special because you're wearing a stupid shoe. It's all but a sneaker. And I'm dead serious about this. And I'll make 50 million videos just ranking on their ass. Stop being so pathetic. Respect other people's things that you don't know in this world what they could afford or they cannot afford. Don't be pathetic. Don't be a loser. And mind your own business. Stick to your lane until you find yourself. Till next time, everybody. I love you all and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! Ecoide, machete afilado.